My name is Pete Alessandro. This is Expert Village. What we're looking at now is drawers, because this closet had no real drawer space. This bedroom has no place for drawers other than the closet. So this is what we're going to have to do here. This is what we got to use. Drawers are the number one way to maximize space in any and all things. We don't lose the depth because we can still access the back because the drawer pulls out. Different than a basket or a cabinet or anything else, because a drawer really gives you full depth access, and you have way more storage in that than you would in anything else. So drawers, drawers, drawers. If you're looking for more space, this is the number one tip. Use whatever you can. These are delineated between socks and underwear and t-shirts, but really it's got to be something that's going to work for us. It should be that everything has a designated space within the drawers. Keep them that way. That way you don't have to dig through anything to find anything else. You don't want to bury stuff. That's the advantage of drawers, is that they can keep you very, very organized, very simply. You don't really have to go into a whole lot of searching and digging because everything has its place naturally.